Today I want to share with you apple cranberry crumble. My favorite recipe for the holidays or any time of the year starts with fresh apples. Now you can use a Granny Smith, but here we are using a Fuji apple. Once you have your apple cut, you want to use about 3 medium-sized apples. Add in 1 bag of cranberries, depending on the apple ratio you have. Then to that you want to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and just a large tablespoon of flour to get all of the juices pulled out of your berries and fruit, while at the same time creating a thick starchy mixture. Then in another bowl, combined 1 cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of flour. Then make sure you combine that really well. Using a fork, you can also use your hands to create that crumbly texture. Once you have that crumble set, go ahead and top it on top of your fruit mixture. Once you have it all packed, I like to mash it down a little bit, but you can leave it into crumbs if you prefer. It's just personal preference. It'll all bake the same and you'll get that crispy, crunchy topping that you're looking for in a crumble like this. As you can see, once it starts baking, it does let out juices that solidify a little more, and you're looking for this beautiful brown coat topping. Cook this at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes until you start seeing that top browning. I cover mine with tin foil for about 30 minutes of the cook time, then pull that off and allow that crumble to get brown, caramelized, and crispy. So really what you're looking for is a thorough cook on your fruit and that crunchy, crisp topping. When you're ready to serve, get a generous portion and plate it up, and there you have the perfect apple cranberry crumble.